Hi everyone, Niall from Retrospective. I'm just going to give you a little run through of our latest bikes for sale, and we have got quite a lot for sale. The weather's hotting up and it's definitely scooter riding season now. So we're in the showroom at the front of the shop, and down this side I've got a couple of Lambrettas. This is a lovely GP200 1970 and it's fully restored. All originals, just got electronic ignition in it. That's up for £12,000. I've got my Series 1 LI, which is electric. This is my own personal bike that I like to ride just in around London for sunny days. Fantastic bike, lovely to ride, disc brakes front and rear, 12,000. I've got an Elbar. This is the Spanish moving mudguard Series 2 type bike. Over in the corner here we have another GP200 and we have an LI Series 2. Love these big windshields and nice weather protection on that. This is £4,500 and the GP is currently at 9,000. Moving down the line, TV 175 Series 2 at currently 7,995. This is a lovely little Vespa Super from 1971. Great little bike. They sort of, and in between they've got 8-inch wheels and they look like a Sprint with like a Primavera headset, but really reliable little bike. And this was restored quite a few years ago, but it was done by us and it's a fantastic condition, been kept really well, and a fantastic little runaround bike. We've got a GS 160, that is £7,500. It's an older restoration, nice old British bike. Starts and runs, all original, with the fact that it's still got the old 6-volt battery system. It's a beautiful T5 Mark 1. So this is the very first T5s that come out in 85. This one's a 86 model, and it's fully restored, all original. Lovely fast scoot that done 70 mile an hour, and it's a 125. Now we currently have about 14 PXs in stock, and they're all a lot of them in excellent condition. I mean, some of them, like this one here, is actually a brand new PX with just 1 mile on the clock. Now that we have just reduced the price as well. That is now £4,995. Same with this one, and here we have a black PX, which it's got 60 miles on the clock. Same price, £4,995. I mean, these three bikes here are like absolutely brand new bikes, and they are serviced, MOT'd, and ready to go. All our PXs will be that I'm going to show you. I've got another PX here. It's PX 125, 2007. That's £4,295. A little bit cheaper, but also a very clean bike. These are all on our website. You can go there now and have a look and see the prices on there and the descriptions and lots more photographs. With all our bikes, you get a free bottle of wine. This is my own Italian wine I made with Italian grapes from the big drum here. So I've been giving out a bottle of wine with every scooter sold. It's very nice. Trust me, it is very nice. Little small frame here. It's the rare one with the pedals, the French model. That is £5,495, as is the old Pedalo. In the corner here, don't know if you can see this, is a little 50 special, but it's actually an electric conversion with one of our, the battery fits in there. Now that is £8,995, fully restored by us and electrified. So we'll go into the yard now and we're going to have a look at a lot more scooters that we have for sale. I must say that we're going to be doing a sale of the PXs, and we're going to be selling all our bikes. For the first 2 weeks in June, there will be free delivery all over the UK. That includes Scotland and Northern Ireland and Ireland. We can work our ways around to get some over to Ireland. So consider that for the first 2 weeks of June, free delivery of any of the bikes you see on our website. So let's have a walk and talk through this PX collection. I've got an old project bike here. It's 450 quid. There is a V5 with that, and it is just really a shell with an empty engine casing in it just to wheel it around. But that's sort of like a project for somebody if they have a PX engine of their own. So going on to these PXs that we have for sale. And by the way, all these PXs are in excellent condition. They're actually running, working, and we'll give them out with the MOT. So all good low mileage bikes as well. So for this one, for example, this is PX125 2008, and it's £3,995. Really clean, lovely clean floor, and it's got 5,000 miles on the clock. This bike was restored and it's done up quite fancy in a sort of a race style, but it is on a Q plate. That means its original plate is gone and it will have a Q plate on it. Hence the price is £2.5 grand for this one here. I have this Adidas Special, a black PX125 2016. It is £4,495. Again, really clean bike, nice clean bike with 2,000 miles on the clock. So really very low mileage, lovely clean bikes. Sold, just gone. This one is an old PE, which is a Mark 1, 1978. Pretty nice original-ish paint throughout. And with the original paint, it's obviously got its little war wounds on it, but it's £3,995. That's a good runner. That's had an engine rebuild as well. So that's a pretty good bike to run. This is my only PX200 at the moment. PX200, one of the last ones, the disc model from 2001, and it is £3,995. Not for sale. Let's go to, a couple more over here. So I have another PX, white, if you want a white one. This is a PX 150 actually, 2014, it's £4,495. If you did want this as a 125, then we can down sleeve it as a 125 for you. I have, again, another PE, early PE from 1983, and key ignition on top, the early PX models, in original paint, nice bike. It is £2,995. That is from Germany. That needs registered though. I've got a few small frame, electric small frames. So I've got 4, I think. So this is one, for example. Lovely little bike. We restored it, 1964, 50N, and it's £5,295. That's just been reduced in price as well. So that's a little electric scooter. We've got a blue one, same sort of style. The 50 Special, and another white one as well, all little electric small frames. I've got this lovely Retro Special that is one of our old restorations from about 10, 15 years ago. It is £4.5 grand as it stands now. So this, with our Retro Specials, was a PX 125 engine installed into a classic VBB body shape. It was restored by us back then, and it's got the upgrade to 10-inch wheels, front and rear, to match the PX engine. Now, rest of these bikes are sort of just customers' bikes that have been in for work to be done. Out of this lot, I could pick out, we've got an SS 180 here. That is £6.5 grand. Now that is a little cheaper than our red SS, which is fully restored British bike. This one needs registering in the UK, hence it's quite a lot cheaper than the red SS, which is £9.5 grand. I've got a little 100 Sport there, V100 Sport, little green bike there. That there is £3,795, 1985 American edition V100 Sport. This has just come into stock. It is a Sprint Veloci, 1970. Now, as it stands, it does start and run. It is £2,995. I would suggest that would need our level 1 mechanical overhaul in it, because it's sat for so long. It's probably sat for about 16 years unused. So it would require, what I'd suggest is an engine overhaul, probably some new cables, Teflon line cables, some tires, and a really good going over from top to bottom. And that would be our level 1 price. If you look that up on the website, you should see that. So this is the SS180. We have a 1967 model, and it's been fully restored. Really nice bike. One of my favorite bikes, the SS. Very strong, powerful, piston-ported model. And yeah, this one's all done proper, all the correct kudos throughout it. So £9,500 for this one. It's all on our website. And like I said, for the first 2 weeks of June, we are going to do with this sale a special free delivery all over the UK. That includes Scotland, Northern Ireland, Ireland, all throughout. We can work a delivery service for you for free for any of these bikes that you've seen today. We do worldwide delivery. I can't do it worldwide for free, but we do deliver bikes. Like we've sent bikes to America, Australia, Indonesia, Japan, Singapore, all over the world. There's anywhere as possible. Just email for prices and we'll get back to you. Thank you.